Hello, this is a quick how-to for setting my fans on your avatar. Make sure you have the fans imported and then go ahead and put them to where you would like for them to be on your avatar. I recommend to smash them into the crease in between your thumb and your index finger because you're going to be grabbing them in games. Your hand bones will fold over like this and make the fist. Once you have it in place, hit Control A. This applies all transforms, so all your transforms should be at 0 now, which is good. Go ahead and duplicate by hitting Shift D. Then at the top right, hit Object, Mirror, X Global. Do the Control AA again to apply the rotation of the flippy floppy over the X-axis. And whenever you use this mirror tool up here, it is not the same as the mirror modifier, which is overall better, but you know, armatures do be armatures, and we need that. So go into edit mode and hit Alt N. This flips to normals. If you're not sure what normals are, you can always go into this top thingy right here, click face orientation. You want things to be blue. Red is bad. Previously it looked like this, and now it looks right, which is good. Once you have all this done, making sure everything has its origins applied, go to one of the armatures, edit mode, hit A to get all of them. Armature at the top left, names auto name left right. Now there should be an R. And do the same thing with the other armature. And now there should be an L. Fantastic. And at this point you can go ahead and merge everything onto your base armature. I use cats personally, whatever floats your goats will work probably. So merge one, and then merge the other one. Drop everything down. Merge these two meshes unless you want to have separate toggles, then, you know, be great. Check the armature, and we're going to make sure everything is rooted correctly. So this is the root bone of the fans, at least for the right side. Go into the bone thingy, relations, parent, and it's going to need to be on the right wrist as we got on the right side. You can see that the line was just created between those. And do the same thing over here. And from here you should be all set. It will now move with your armature and be nice and pretty and flowy. And that's it. If you would like just to be a little bit clean, just rename them to fans. And that's it. Now you have fans on your avatar. Enjoy!